Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to edit the Blocksy theme. We'll begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard and accessing the customizer. This powerful tool is where all your global site settings and design choices come to life. You'll find an intuitive interface that allows for real-time previews of your changes, making the design process incredibly efficient and user-friendly. Let's dive in and explore the foundational steps. Next, we'll tackle the crucial header and footer sections of your website. Blocksy offers a fantastic drag-and-drop builder, giving you complete control over element placement and design. You can easily add or remove items like logos, navigation menus, and social icons. For the footer, customize your copyright information, add widgets, and ensure a consistent brand presence across every page. This flexibility ensures your site's top and bottom truly reflect your vision. Now, let's explore how to manage your page and post layouts. Blocksy provides extensive options to define how your content is presented. You can set global layouts for all pages and posts, or apply unique settings for individual ones. Easily control elements like sidebar position, content width, and featured image display. This granular control ensures each piece of content looks exactly as you intend, enhancing readability and user experience. Finally, we'll refine your site's overall aesthetic through global styling and typography. Blocksy allows you to define a consistent color palette across your entire website, ensuring brand cohesion. You can select from hundreds of Google fonts to find the perfect typeface for your headings and body text. Additionally, fine-tune details like spacing, borders, and shadows to achieve a polished and professional look. These global settings are key to a cohesive and beautiful website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.